Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. As you can see in the title, today I'm going to show you how to uninstall Grand Theft Auto 5. So let's get started. Open your Steam account, go on Library, then click right on Grand Theft Auto, then Manage, and uninstall, and again uninstall. Afterwards, I'm gonna show you on another way to uninstall Grand Theft Auto 5. Go on your search and type Control Panel. Click on Programs and click on Uninstall a program. Then you have to search Rockstar Game Launcher and everything related to Grand Theft Auto 5. So you'll have to select one by one Rockstar Games Launcher, Social Club and Grand Theft Auto, and then click uninstall and your game is uninstalled. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe this video if you liked it. Bye bye.